Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use stop loss on Thinkorswim. Open the Trade tab and enter your ticker symbol, then pick an actionable quantity to protect. Select Stop or Stop Limit depending on your preference, and enter a clear trigger price and optional limit. Double-check order routing and timing, use the Confirm and Send dialog, adjust for commissions if needed, and submit the order with confidence. In this video, I will show how to use stop loss on Thinkorswim. Learn the difference between stop and stop limit so you can match execution style to risk tolerance. A stop order triggers a market fill, while a stop limit protects your worst price, but may not fill. Trailing stops follow price by a set amount or percent to protect gains, and you can set these parameters in the order editor. In this video, I will show how to use stop loss on Thinkorswim. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading trade plans, charts, and investing books easy wherever you are, and it's light enough to carry to your desk or coffee shop. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides and tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use stop loss on Thinkorswim. Use technical anchors such as support, resistance, adder, or moving averages to choose stop levels that make sense. Size your position so a stop loss equals an acceptable dollar risk relative to your account balance. Use bracket orders for entry and protective exit, enable notifications in the platform, and test strategies on paper trading before committing real capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.